Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we have discussed with you fair and festivals of India. So let's start fairs of India. Nagaur Cattle Fair. Nagaur bustles with life during the annual cattle fair, one of the largest in the country, usually held from 13th January to 2nd February. The Nagaur bulls are renowned for their fleet-footedness and attract buyers from all over. However, livestock such as camels, goats, and cows are also on display. A highlight of the fair is performances by folk dancers and magicians and exciting games such as lug of war, camel races, horse races, etc. Tarnetar Mela. The 3-day fair held annually in Tarnetar coincides with the festival at the Triniteshwar temple, three-eyed god Shiva. Villagers from all over Saurashtra dressed in their traditional costumes and exquisite jewelries from Trinetra during this fair. सालाना मेला पालमपुर। सालाना मेला है वो कहाँ है? पालमपुर में है। Among the non-religious fair, Salana Palampur is noted for its wrestling matches, while at Sonpur Mela in Bihar, selling of elephants add extra color to the occasions. जो पालनपुर मेला है ये फेयर होता है पालमपुर में और ये किसके लिए फेमस है? फॉर रेसलिंग मैचेस के लिए। और जो सोनपुर मेला है वो बिहार में होता है। सेलिंग ऑफ एलिफेंट्स एड्स एक्स्ट्रा कलर टू ओकेजन्स। गढ़ मुक्तेश्वर मेला, इट इज 60 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम दिल्ली। इट हैज़ बीन हेल्ड सिंस मुगल पीरियड्स। जो गढ़ मुक्तेश्वर फेयर है ये 60 किलोमीटर कहाँ से? दिल्ली से। इट हैज़ बीन हेल्ड सिंस मुगल पीरियड से हेल्ड किया जा रहा है। दिस फेयर इज हेल्ड एवरी ईयर एट गढ़ मुक्तेश्वर वेयर besides ritual bathing in the Ganges risk economic activities also take place. Sonpur Mela. The formed cattle fair is held at Sonpur, situated on the confluence of the holy river Ganga and Gandak. The spring Mela ground here with the pulsating market has the widest possible range of cattle and commodities. The array of shops sells all sorts of merchandise. Sonpur fair is the only one of its kind where a large number of elephants are sold. Kumbh Mela, it is unique in the respect that it does not exhibit the features associated with the traditional Indian fair. It is basically a religious congregation which is held once every 12 years. महाकुंभ, ये जो मेला है कुंभ मेला ये 12 साल में एक बार ही होता है जिसको हम महाकुंभ के नाम से जानते हैं। एट वन ऑफ द 4 होली प्लेसेस इलाहाबाद, उज्जैन, नासिक, हरिद्वार इन टर्न। And Arhada or half Kumbh occurs every 6 years according to mythology when the devas or gods and the asuras and demons together charm the water of perennial oceans. Many priceless things floated above from the ocean. Among these was a pot, kumbha, of Amrit, the nectar of immortality. During the struggle for the possession of Amrit between the demons and the god, some drops of precious nectars got split. These fell at 12 places, including the netherworld called Patala. Suraj Kund Handicraft Mela. Suraj Kund is a small ancient kund pond in Haryana on the outskirts of Delhi. The picturesque place is the venue for the annual handicraft fair, Ganga Sagar Mela. It is celebrated occasion in Bengal on the eve of Makar Sankranti and is held at the confluence of the Ganga and Bay of Bengal. This is the biggest fair in Bengal, a dip in the ocean where the Ganga drains into the sea at the auspicious hour is considered to be great religious significance. राजगीर डांस फेयर। राजगीर डांस फेयर में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? राजगीर डांस फेयर। राजगीर द एंशिएंट कैपिटल ऑफ द मगधा एम्पायर in Bihar is held scared of both Buddhists and Jains for its associations with the Buddha and Mahavira. The Department of Tourism Bihar hold a colorful fair of dance and music every year in Rajgir because its instrumental music, devotional songs, opera, folk dance, ballads, or the many schools of classical dance and music genres in their own realms of accomplishments create an almost ethereal atmosphere. Kurukshetra Fair. The festival in Kurukshetra, Haryana coincide with the Gita Jayanti, signifies the birth of holy book Bhagavad Gita. A visit to Kurukshetra during the festival is an exhilarating and spiritual experience. Pilgrims gather to take a dip in the sacred tank of Brahmasarovar and swan a week-long Bhagavad Katha presenting story of Bhagavad Gita, shloka recital, dance, drama and deep dan at Brahmasarovar are a part of religious festivals. And other Pushkar Mela, Posh Mela and Vishanpur Mela. Today I will discuss with you Fair of India. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for watching more videos. Thanks for watching.